In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PowerPoint presentation background in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to refresh an existing presentation or starting from scratch, altering the background of your slides can dramatically change the look and feel of your work. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to customize your presentations to better reflect your content's mood, tone, and theme. First things first, let's dive into the initial steps you need to take. Begin by opening your Microsoft PowerPoint application. It's a straightforward first step, but it's the gateway to unleashing your creativity. PowerPoint, with its user-friendly interface, allows you to make significant alterations with just a few clicks. Once your PowerPoint is up and running, it's time to open your file. Navigate to the File tab located at the top left corner of your screen, click it, and then select the Open option. From here, browse through your computer files and choose the PowerPoint presentation you wish to modify. Double-click on your selected file, or select it and press Open to load it into PowerPoint. Now, with your presentation ready in front of you, navigate to the slide where you want to change the background. You might be working on just one slide, or planning to overhaul the entire presentation. The choice is yours, and the process remains the same. To change the background of the current slide, right-click anywhere on the page that doesn't already contain an object or text. Doing so will open a contextual menu with various options. Among these, look for Format Background and left-click on it. This action will launch a panel or a separate window, depending on the version of PowerPoint you're using. Within the Format Background section, you'll find yourself faced with a range of choices under the Fill option. PowerPoint allows you to personalize your slides with different fill effects. You can opt for a solid color if you're looking for something simple and clean. A gradient fill, offering a blend between two or more colors, can add depth and texture to your slides. Perhaps you're interested in a more thematic or nuanced background, in which case selecting a picture or texture fill can completely transform your slides. Last but not least, you can choose a pattern fill for a more graphic or designed background. Each of these choices can be previewed on the slide, so you can experiment and see what works best for your presentation. If you select the picture or texture fill, you'll have the option to insert an image from your computer, or in some versions, search online from within PowerPoint for the perfect backdrop. Adjust the brightness, contrast, and transparency of your images for that perfect fit into your presentation's design scheme. Remember, while a background should enhance your slide, it shouldn't detract from the readability of your text or the clarity of any images or graphs you might have. Once you're satisfied with your new background, you have the choice to apply it to just the selected slide or to every slide in your presentation. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to maintain a consistent look throughout your presentation, or if you wish to have varied backgrounds for different sections of your work. If you decide later that you want to revert to the default background or choose a new one, simply repeat the steps mentioned above and you'll be able to make the changes as needed. And there you have it. With those simple steps, you've successfully changed the background of your PowerPoint slides. This enhancement can make a significant difference in the appearance of your presentation, making it more visually appealing and engaging for your audience. Whether you're presenting in a professional, academic, or casual setting, the ability to customize your PowerPoint background is a fantastic tool in your presentation making toolkit. Don't be afraid to experiment with different backgrounds to see what best suits your content and audience. Remember, a well-chosen background can complement your presentation's message, engage your viewers, and even make your information more memorable. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Power up your presentations with stunning backgrounds and watch the impact it has on your audience's engagement. Happy presenting, and see you in our next video.